Ever pondered over the precise method to measure the concentration of a solution in a lab? Well, it's all about a process called titration, and it's far less complicated than it sounds. Begin by preparing the solutions required for titration. This generally involves a solution of known concentration known as the titrant, and the solution of unknown concentration, termed the analyte. Next, you'll need to set up the titration apparatus. This usually includes a burette, a flask or beaker to contain the analyte solution, a stir plate if needed, and the necessary glassware for transferring solutions. Before starting, it's crucial to ensure all equipment is calibrated. This could involve checking the 0 point on the burette or making sure that the glassware is clean and free of contaminants. In some cases, the reaction between the titrant and analyte creates a visible color change. If that's the scenario, add a few drops of indicator to the analyte solution. This helps in determining when the reaction is complete. Now the titration can commence. Slowly add the titrant solution from the burette to the analyte solution, stirring continuously. As the endpoint nears, adding the titrant drop by drop ensures accuracy. Keep an eye out for a color change in the solution as the reaction progresses. This is a sign that the endpoint of the titration is nearing. Once a consistent color change occurs, note down the volume of titrant used. This volume is required to calculate the concentration of the analyte. If the titration doesn't seem precise enough, don't hesitate to repeat the process until consistent results are achieved. With the volume of titrant used and any other relevant data, calculate the concentration of the analyte using the appropriate stoichiometry and formulas. Finally, after the titration is complete, it's time to clean up. Rinse and clean all glassware thoroughly to prevent contamination in future experiments. And remember, safety is paramount. Always adhere to safety protocols and guidelines while performing titrations in the laboratory. This includes wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment and handling chemicals with care. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to performing a titration in a laboratory. Just like any skill, practice makes perfect. So don't be disheartened if you don't get it right the first time. Keep trying, and soon you'll be titrating like a pro.